Hello friends! Like the sparkling morning sunshine, I'm a bright Aga. How have you all been? Today, I'm going to embark on a very special and exciting adventure with my friend. A wonderful housework adventure to help my mum and dad. Clap, clap, clap. Wow! Friends, have you ever seen your mum and dad doing housework? Washing dishes, cleaning, and what else is there? That's right, laundry. Today, Aga is going to try folding laundry. It's okay if you're a little clumsy since it's your first time. I hope our friends will also gain courage to think, should I try it too? While seeing Aga. Okay, shall we start the fluffy laundry folding adventure with Aga right now? Let's go! Last night, Mom washed, cleaned and dried the laundry and now it's piled up like a mountain. To think I have to fold all of this, Mom is really amazing. Should I fold this t-shirt first? Like this, unfold it, fold the arms, fold it in half. Huh? Oh, why does it keep getting so wrinkled? This is harder than I thought. How does Mom do this so easily and beautifully?
Honey, what are you working so hard on?
Mom, Aga wanted to help fold the laundry, but it's too difficult. It keeps getting crooked and won't look pretty.
Haha, my baby, you were trying to help Mommy. That's so kind. Okay, shall we do it together, sweetie? To Mommy, the way you try is the most beautiful thing in the world. You can fold it neatly and prettily like this. See? It's not difficult, right?
Wow! Mom, that's amazing! It's so easy when I do it with you. Ta-da! Friends, look! It's Aga's washcloth. It's not as perfectly neat as Mom's yet. If I keep doing this little by little, I think I can become like my mum someday. How about friends also starting today with small things that help Mum and Dad, like Aga? It doesn't have to be folding laundry. Wiping the table, tidying up your room, organising shoes, anything is fine. Even if it's a small task, Mum and Dad will be really happy if we do it ourselves. And we will be proud of ourselves too. Don't forget what you learned with Aga today. Helping Mum and Dad is a wonderful way to show love. Let's all be wonderful helpers and give happiness to our families. Promise! See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.